AI is often seen as having a perfect memory. It recalls patterns with incredible precision. But here's the truth. AI doesn't remember forever. When real-world data changes, models begin to forget. This is called data drift. Over time, AI performance drops, not because it isn't smart, but because its memory isn't refreshed. Without retraining, even the most advanced AI becomes a short-term genius. Yet it suffers from long-term amnesia. The solution? Continuous learning. Regular updates and retraining keep AI relevant, reliable, and sharp. At Parrot AI, we ensure your models don't just learn, they remember. Because in business, memory matters. Join us now and elevate your AI experience.